Make some little fur balls also for my boots. And what you do to make that, you just cut out a first circle. You take a needle, and I just take my weaving needle, circle needle, and you just go to pulling it around. And you do need something to stuff this with. I do have some pillow stuffing. I have no idea where that. I'm just going to use leftover fabric. So I'm just weaving this needle in and out around the ends. And that's pretty much it. You just take it. So I'm weaving it in and out, in and out, in and out, and pull that all the way through. Because what we're going to do is make it ball up. And we'll make the little balls. So the boots, I put little balls on them. And I love these boots, guys. Y'all got to try out Amazon. Amazon have been my go-to place. And it just make them look a little bit more cuter. So, if you can see as I'm doing this, when I'm doing this, I'm pulling it around so that it can ball up in a circle. So, it's an easy process. It's a real easy process. So, almost done. And then you just stuff it. Make it as thick as you want it. Okay, so I got it going all the way around. So now what I'm going to do, y'all see that? How I'm pulling it together? Pulling it together? Pulling it together? So now is the part where you stuff it. I just found some little fabric. Stuff it in there. It's best to have the cotton though. So if y'all see that, how I got it, turn it into a ball. Just keep pulling, pulling, pulling. Pull, pull, pull. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Put it in there and pull. And when it's all done, you will have a little ball. So I'm going to finish. I only got a lot of space. I had to clean out my phone. It said I got about 3 minutes left. So I'm going to finish sewing it closed. If you guys see, it's turning into a little ball. And I'll be back.